So we just watched the video, the story of Booker T. Washington called More Than Anything Else. And that story talked about how Booker T. Washington, more than anything else, wanted to learn how to read. So open your homework practice book. We just have a quick little activity today. And at the top of this page, we are on page 31, by the way. At the top of this page, you're going to write your name. I'm going to write Grumpy Cat's name. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you that Booker T. Washington was born more than 150 years ago. So this is someone who lived long ago. And he was born as a slave. And then when slavery ended, he was about 9 years old. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there for a minute. We're going to write today's date. Remember I said May is the 5th month? You need to write a 5, a little dash, a 1, a little dash, and then the year is 2020, 2020. Okay, so so you're going to see right here. Here's the first part of the story. So you're going to just write a 1. That's what happened first. It showed Booker T. Washington, he was about 9 years old. He did not know how to read. Instead, he had to work for money because his family, they were freed slaves now, but they had to work all the time, and he had to work with his family to get money. So he did not get to go to school and learn how to read. And then it was his mom who he expressed his wish to. He said, more than anything else, I want to learn how to read. So it was his mom who gave him the book. And then eventually what happened, he saw the letters on the page, but he didn't know what they meant, and he would practice writing them, but he still didn't know how to put them together to make words. So then eventually he was able to go to school. So this is 3 right here. He was able to go to school, and he studied, he learned how to read, he studied really hard, and he did so well with his studies that eventually he became a teacher, and he got to teach other people at a place called the Tuskegee Institute. So this is number 4 in the sequence of his life. So that's a really good story about somebody who had a dream, and he was able to fulfill that dream through hard work. All right, give yourself an exit ticket at the top of the page. Thank you for joining me on that brief journey through Booker T. Washington's life.